like straight in the middle.
Yeah, it is.
Where would you put like the camera? Like where would I stand to take a picture of you?
I mean, that's a good question. I don't know.
You just like mark it, and then I'll just stand where you mark it.
I feel like it's a little different for everyone because like the height matters whenever you're talking about that. So, oh wait.
Oh, I have to go so far back.
That's the problem.
Okay. I feel like I could do better. You can go. I mean, you're not in theirs, but you don't want to. Go.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Go right here, right underneath. That's pretty. Okay, it's saying panel. Never mind, I got it. Yeah, I tried.
Nah, it's good. Oh my god, it's so funny because you went like this. Trying to take it. Yeah, okay, it's better, yeah.
Yeah.
It's so funny because like you tried to like go down without actually going down, so you ended up like sissy squatting.
Yeah.
God. I wonder if we can turn on guidelines. Yes, aspect ratio, creative filters, picture style.
I wonder why the 3 people that didn't want to take photos would come to the Cherry Blossom Festival. I'm not complaining.
I mean, I come for the cherry blossoms.
Yeah, they're my favorite flowers.
Shooting display info.
He's shaking them. That's so fun.
Grid display. Oh, see. Okay. I can turn on grid display.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, I'll try. Yeah, I want to touch them.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, he stopped shaking them.
Oh, you shake it, and I'll take a picture. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Okay. Okay. Let me see if I can. Oh fuck. Okay. You get in there too. Okay. Oh, okay, wait, I got it, wait. Okay, oh no, wait. Oh god. Oh, there's so many people, wait. Okay. I think we're good. Oh god, wait. Okay. We got a few good shots. Okay. I was just shooting away. There's so many people. Okay, see. I got like a few good ones.
No, that's so cute. And then we're like a family because we're also.
There we go. This is like the only shot where like there was no one in the frame.
That's so good. You should be. Why is Kyle's head like directly on top of mine? Like we're conjoined.
There we go. See,
we're conjoined. His chin is on my head.
Oh god, wait. Yeah, kinda. Yeah, because you're right below.
Look at an Asian face.
Beautiful.
Wait, how many flavors of Asian do we have?
Wait,
here?
do I have a photo bombing one where I just jump in the middle?
No, I don't think I was able to get it because there were so many people.
Oh,
yeah.
Tragic.
I tried.
We have 3 flavors. We have 3 flavors of Asian. Korean, Chinese, and Taiwanese.
What flavor of Asian?
Korean, Taiwanese.
So it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Oh, so between the 2 of you, you create the other 3 of us.
That's funny. Okay.